When was the last time you spent an entire day preparing one meal? In this village, meals begin in the earth. We grow everything ourselves, right from the soil.
The rhythm of preparation begins.
Time to get cooking! Whoa, fire! Oh no, the stove! I need the extinguisher! There it is! Phew, all clear. Cooking here is not a task, it is a ritual. Time is not being wasted, it is being invested. The most important part is the time you cannot see. And then, after hours of effort, comes the simplest moment. Dinner's ready. Let's eat.
It looks wonderful, thank you.
This is so nice. Maybe we haven't lost time. We've just forgotten what deserves it. Dishes. I'm ready.
The slower you move, the richer life becomes.